This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zack D Films meme. First, find a Zack D Films video that has a moment you think is meme-worthy. Look for a short, impactful clip, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds long, that features a clear reaction or a funny statement. Once you have your clip, think about what text or image would best complement it to create a humorous effect. This initial step is crucial for setting up a successful meme. Now that you have your perfect clip, the next step is to get it ready for editing. Download the video segment directly to your phone or computer. Many free online tools or browser extensions can help with this. Once downloaded, open your favorite video editing app, like CapCut or InShot, and import the clip into a new project. This prepares your canvas for adding the meme elements. With your clip in the editor, it's time to add the meme magic. Insert a text box and type out your punchline or reaction. Make sure the text is clear, concise, and easy to read against the video background. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to find what works best. You can also add a quick sound effect or an emoji to enhance the humor, making your meme even more engaging. Before sharing your masterpiece, give it a final review. Watch it a few times to ensure the timing of the text and any effects is perfect and that the meme delivers its intended humor. Once you're satisfied, export the video in a standard format, such as MP4, which is widely compatible across platforms. Then, share it with friends or post it online for everyone to enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.